Hello again, Mr. RG Stuff here. Now, I keep saying that I don't do many post bags or mail bags, but I do still buy the occasional thing. And with the recent pandemic, or the ongoing pandemic, I've been buying more on eBay because I've not been able to get to local car boot sales. Now, this is an item that turned up a few days ago, which I thought I'd open up and see what it is. I'm pretty sure I know what it is, but let's see whether it is what I think it is. Okay, very well wrapped. Really not obvious where to open it at all. Right, well that's encouraging. Right, get rid of some of this rubbish. Okay. I'll recycle that properly later. So, what have we got here? Well, that looks kind of interesting. Now, obviously, I've seen photos of this before because I bought it on eBay. But basically, it's a little soundbox. And supposedly it's German, made about 1918, although there was no indication on the eBay auction as to why that was considered to be the case. And you may say, why on earth have I bought this little soundbox? So what on earth do I need another little soundbox for? Well, I bought it because the design of it actually reminded me of this homemade one that I've made, in terms of the way it's made out of sort of flat bits. So I will take this to pieces, but it's got an interesting sort of arrangement at the back where the tube seems to be buried or connected to a flange which is buried between layers of isolator, and it's also got this black rim here which I'm not sure what that's made out of. But anyway, I'll take it to pieces. In fact, what I'll probably do for the purposes of this video is I'll try and fit it to one of my gramophones, and actually we can hear what it sounds like just as it is. And then I will also, in a later video, take it to pieces and have a really good look at it and maybe try and refurb it a bit. But anyway, that's a little thing in the post. The box looks like it's probably original. What does it say on the back? Some lettering. Really not clear what that is. Yeah. Take the inside out. It will come out. So like a paper bag. Well, it's stamped inside. Rubber stamped August, looks like 1918. So that's clearly where the 1918 dates come from. Although to be honest, that's just a rubber stamp. Anybody could have stamped that at any time with any date. The German bit, why do they consider it to be German? Is it actually marked on here anywhere? If there is, I'll stick a photo up. But no, I can't see anything on there which suggests a manufacturer's mark or anything like that. So anyway, just a little something in the post, and I'll attach it to a gramophone now and actually give it a test, and then have a better look at it in a future video. Well, the fitting on the back of the soundbox didn't fit the gramophone, So I've had to 3D print an adapter. Okay, so let's try a bit of Jollity Farm.
There's a farm called Misery, but of that I'll have none, because I know of one that's always full of fun. They call this one Jollity, believe me, folks, it's great, for everything sings out to me as I go through the gate. All the little things they grunt and howl, the cats meow, the dogs bow wow, everybody makes some row down on Jollity Farm. All the little birds go tweet, 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 the lambs all bleat and shake their feet, everything's a perfect treat down on Jollity Farm. Regular in habit, the cock begins to crow, and the old buck rabbit says, I'm a do-de-o-do. All the little ducks go quack, 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 the cows all moo, the bull does too, everyone says, how to do down on Jollity Farm. You won't find much jollity, though you may walk a mile. The sun shines all the while, you cannot help but smile. Farmer's name is Jolly Boy, he's laughing all the day. And when you see his missus, you'll be glad you came that way. All the little pigs, they grunt and howl, the cats meow, the dogs wow, everybody makes some row down on Jollity Farm. All the little birds go tweet, 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 the lambs all bleat and shake their feet, everything's a perfect treat down on Jollity Farm. When the dew is soaking, the frogs sing any note, you will hear one croaking, says, I've got a frog in the throat. All the little hens lay eggs with pride, you laid or dried, or boiled or fried, some lay two poached side by side, down on Jollity Farm.
Okay, well that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and if you have enjoyed this video, please subscribe to Mr. RG Stuff. Thank you.